everyone, today I'll be explaining finite state machines, also known as FSMS, an important concept in computer science and digital system. A finite state machine is a model that describes how a system behaves depending on its current state and the input it receives. It's called finite because the system can only be in one of a limited number of states. Finite states is made up of several key parts. These are states. States represents the different condition or situation a system can be in it. While inputs, these are the signals or action that trigger a change. Transitions, this shows how the system moves from one state to another when a certain input occurs. Start states, this is where the system begins, while the final state or accept states, this is where the system stops or successfully completes a process. This is my example for state diagram to visualize states and input. My states are lock and unlock, while my inputs are coin and push. This is my example for that diagram. My states is lock and my inputs are unlock. My states are lock and unlock, while my inputs are coin and push. It's lock when we put inputs, then it's going to be unlock. When we put coin, at the same time we push it, then you're going to unlock. More explanation in states. Example number 1 is if we put the coin in input, the next state will be unlocked because the coin inserted to unlock the turnstile. Next explanation is lock. If we put push in input, the next state is unlocked because the action will be invalid, gate remains locked. Third explanation is unlock. If we put push, next state lock because the action will be person passes gate, locks again. And lastly, unlock. The state is unlocked if we put input. If we put the coin in input, the next state will be unlocked because the action will be extra coin can ignore already unlocked. I have types of FSMS. These are the two main types of finite state machine. More machine where the output depends only on the current state, while melee machine where the output depends on both the current state and the input. That's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you.